Needs are essential goods and services required for survival and well-being. Fundamental needs include food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare. These needs must be met to maintain a basic standard of living. Wants are non-essential items or services that enhance comfort or lifestyle, but are not necessary for survival. Examples of wants include luxury goods, entertainment, and dining out. Wants represent discretionary spending beyond essential needs. Prioritizing needs ensures that essential requirements are met. Meeting essential needs provides a foundation for financial stability and security. Resource allocation should cover basic living expenses before discretionary spending. Effective prioritization leads to a more secure and stable financial future. Indulging in wants provides immediate gratification. Unmanaged spending on wants can lead to financial strain. Excessive spending on wants can deplete savings. Debt can be created by overspending on wants. Creating a budget is crucial for distinguishing between needs and wants. Effective budgeting involves tracking income and expenses. Setting financial goals is a key component of budgeting. Budgeting enables informed spending decisions and efficient resource allocation. When prioritizing spending, it's important to assess the long-term impact of each purchase. Consider whether the item or service is essential for well-being or simply a fleeting desire. Prioritization involves distinguishing between needs and wants to make informed financial decisions. Prioritizing needs and managing wants are fundamental steps toward achieving financial security. Effective financial planning enables individuals to pursue long-term goals such as retirement savings. Homeownership becomes attainable through diligent financial planning and saving. Investing in education is a key long-term goal facilitated by sound financial management. Understanding the distinction between needs and wants is crucial for informed financial decisions. Prioritizing needs over wants contributes to greater financial stability and security. Effective management of wants enables better financial planning and resource allocation. Informed financial decisions lead to long-term financial well-being.